Welcome to the next video. This is probably my favorite video because it is my passion. It's called funnels. So how do you set up a funnel? What is a funnel? What are some good examples of funnels? We have covered a little bit of it in offer section. If you haven't watched my previous videos, then I request you to go please watch those videos. But now we are going to work out on how to set up your own funnel. Okay, let's jump into my computer screen right now. Welcome to my screen, and in today's video we are going to talk more about funnels, and I'm really very excited to speak about what is funnels. So before directly jumping into a real-time example, let me explain you how we would be coming across these funnels. Okay, so let's just say we would be marketing our product in two different traffic methods. One is organic and other one is paid ads. Okay, so if in case you come across any product in organic way or else in the form of advertisements, once you click on that, you would be landed first on offer page. Okay, you don't directly go to checkout, you don't directly go to the product page. First one is you would be landed on the offer page, and from here you would be redirected to checkout. Okay, so you can also find some upsells in between, once you have purchased a product. Okay, once you have done purchasing a product, you would be coming across some upsell page. Upsell page is nothing but additional source to that program. Okay, so let me show you a few examples how this upsells would be coming across, but before that we need to understand what is upsell. Okay, you would be also coming across downsells also in between. Downsells is nothing but if you are not interested to buy this upsell product, okay, upsell thing, it would be redirected you to the downsell page. Downsell page, if for example, say if you purchase a product called Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, there you would be coming across an upsell stating with this tonic you can also get weight loss pills or intermittent fasting ebook for only $20. Okay, so that is nothing but an upsell. Okay, from here you would be buying some other product related to Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. So if you click on yes, then it would be counted. If you click on no, then you would be directed to downsell. So these all things would be coming across in a funnel. So let me explain you with a real-time example now. So we are going to take an example of Peng Joon. Okay, there are many programs run by him. Okay, he's very good at affiliate marketing. So I'm going to show you a product called Videos Challenge. Okay, this is a product of Peng Joon's. So I'm going to show you how this funnel would be working. So if in case you would be directed to this page in the once you click on any link organically, or if you come across any advertisements. So once you click there, you would be landed over here on this offer page. Okay, or the product page. It can be directly a product page. Why? Because Peng Joon is himself promoting his product. So if not, then you can also have an offer page in between. Then after you can direct him to the product page. So here you can see they have used a good headline: get all your marketing videos done 100% strategically. Okay, so this is how copywriting comes in act. So you can see, and here when I click on this, let's see where we would be diverted. So I'm going to click on this, and there is a video of Peng Joon explaining about this product Video Challenge, and it's an what it's saying, want to get all your marketing videos done. So it is a software where marketing videos would be done. So let me click on join the Video Game Changer Challenge now. Let's see where we would be landing. So once I click on it, so I've landed over here, and here you can see they are asking us to make a decision. If we are making a decision, then direct response marketing would be coming across. Okay, they have used direct response marketing strategies over here, so that the funnel would be very smooth. It would be diverting us to a checkout page once we come across all this kind of marketing strategies. So I'm going to select only digital only and click on next step. So once I click on next step, it is asking us to enter all the details, the full name, email, everything, card details. Then after, when we click credit card number, okay, that's fine. So when we click on next step, here customize your order. So here we would be getting our order. Yes, start the video challenge now. So once I click on this video challenge now, so I need to fill this. That's the reason I'm not getting diverted to another page. So I'm not going to buy this. I'm just showing you as an example how they are creating their smooth funnel. Okay, so this is how we need to work. We need to create our own funnel. Okay, so let me give you a simple example. Okay, right now I'm going to give you a simple example how to create this funnel. Okay, I'm not going to show you how to create this funnel. Why? Because it is going to get covered in the next sessions, but this is just an example how funnels would be working. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, I request you to please subscribe to this channel and hit that bell icon, so that you won't be missing any notification next time from our end. Apart from this, we also have a closed community with us where we will be discussing in depth about digital marketing and affiliate marketing. Okay, the first link in the description, please go and get subscribed, and also you would be getting a free ebook worth $25, how to start your freelance business. Okay, so let's move to another example now. So this is another product page. Okay, this is also a sales funnel, but simple sales funnel. Okay, so we are going to promote a product called Tube Mastery and Monetization, and again you need not to worry about the products. I'm going to reveal those the products from where we would be getting in my future sessions. Okay, don't worry about it, just understand, get some knowledge how affiliate marketing would be working. Okay, if you are new to this video, then watch my previous videos also. So you can see how I run 9 different profitable YouTube channels and make 6 figures from them. This is a product by MathPer. So we are going to promote this product. Okay, and here what I've used is, before you go, grab your free ebook worth $25 right now. Okay, and I'm asking him to enter his first name and email address to grab this ebook. Okay, of worth $25. If he doesn't like this ebook, or if he don't want this ebook, he can directly click here to learn more about Tube Mastery and Monetization, so that he would be landed on my affiliate product. So we alternately get commission once he purchase this product, around $200. Okay, so I'm not going to enter it right now. If in case customer enter his first name and last name and doesn't buy this product also, need not to worry. Why? Because we are going to again target this guy, whoever enters their email address in the form of email marketing. So by making use of email marketing, not only Tube Mastery and Monetization product, we are having n number of products with us. We are going to market those n number of products to them. Okay, he would be a lifelong customer. Okay, if he's interested to follow, then he would be following our newsletter. If he's not interested, then he can unsubscribe. We are having an option there once we start sending emails to our email list. Okay, so if I'm not interested to get into it, I'm going to click directly on click here to learn more about the product. But before that, see, we have used a catchy headline. I've just copy pasted from this product page itself, but when it comes to you need to do some changes in the content. Okay, it should be like really very impressive. Once he sees this, once he come across with the content, then he need to be directly redirected to the checkout page. He need to buy the product for sure. He need to be ready with his credit card. So in my coming videos, I'm going to show you exactly how to create the same landing page or a different landing page for your own affiliate product. Okay, so I request you to please watch my upcoming videos. So I'm going to click now on learn more about Tube Mastery and monetization. See what happens next. Here the actual product page, affiliate product page. Okay, so here you would be finding that this promoted by myself. So once anyone purchase this product, see, click here to enroll now. When anyone purchase this product, I would be getting commission. So let's see what would be the next. Okay, this is how 997 rupees is the product rate, one time payment and 3 easy payments of installments. Okay, directly landed on the checkout page. So what happens here, we have created an offer page. From there we have diverted him to the product page, and from there to the checkout page. But what we have done in between is we have grabbed his first name and email address, so that next time when a new product comes, we can easily promote it through email marketing. This is how funnel would be working. Okay, and the example what I've shown you right now is in simple sales funnel. It's completely a simple sales funnel. So at the time of creating sales funnel, okay, you can include a giveaway in between, so that they would be attracted to drop their email address, or else a free ebook. I'm going to show you an exact example how to grab this ebook, okay, for free. Okay, you would be having master resale rights, and it would be cost around $10 to $30, and which we are going to get it for free. So I'm going to show you exactly the same strategy, and also need not to worry, you can also resell these ebooks. Okay, so I'm having a platform with me, how to create an sales page, and from there how to attach the payment gateway, so that we would be getting money by selling these ebooks instead of giving it for free. So that is completely different. So now for this sales funnel, this is how we are going to work. So you can include coupon codes if you have your own product. If not, you can also involve some games like spin and win. There are a lot many different strategies which we are going to discuss only in our closed groups. Okay guys, if you like this video, then I request you to please hit a like button and share it with your friends. Comment if you have any queries, and do subscribe to our channel, so that from next time you won't be missing any notification from our end. Why? Because you won't be getting this legit information anywhere across YouTube. So in our upcoming video, we are going to discuss more about the softwares. Okay, what software I have used to create this sales funnel absolutely for free, so that you can also make use of it and create your own sales funnel and grab email IDs and do affiliate marketing and earn some good money from it. So don't miss my next video. That's it guys. Have a great day, and bye bye, take care.